We have all watched those YouTube videos that show us how to make more money than Elon Musk using just a flip phone while we are scuba diving in Thailand. Now I do truly believe that there are going to be mind-blowing ways to make money with AI, but let's be real, there's going to be a ton of time waster. But in this video, I will show you a legit way to make real money by selling AI-generated coloring book on Amazon KDP. Why it's not an overnight rich dream, this business idea is really worth a try. And first, you should decide your target audience. Do you want to make a coloring book that will delight children, or one that will help adults relieve their stress? Be clear of who your customers are is crucial in tailoring particular content for your coloring book. And next, you need to find a niche for your coloring book. So my recommendation here is that you should choose a niche that people actually want to buy. This process requires quite a lot of time, but it really decides the success of our business. Here I will use the Titan Quick View Chrome extension to do a little bit of research. So just simply type in your idea and it will give you the score for your keyword. And if you get a score of above 50, you're onto something good. It means there are enough interest in your idea and it's worth diving deeper into creating your coloring book. And I will type in anime coloring book here and the overall score is 61, so I will choose anime coloring book. And for the ideas of each page, you can use ChatGPT to help you generate the ideas. So when you have the theme and the ideas, head over to Midjourney and start creating images for your coloring book. Here is my prompt. Now let's try with another one. So here you need to add black and white clear outlines and ideal for adult anime coloring book for Midjourney to generate a suitable image for you. For the title and the cover page of the book, you can use ChatGPT to create. For example, give me a cover page including the title for my anime coloring books for adults. And go to Canva to design the book's interior. Click on custom size here and enter the standard size for your coloring book. For the width, it will be 8.625 inches and the length will be 11.25 inches. And now just put in your cover page images that you have created with Midjourney and ChatGPT. And here we have a really attractive coloring book to sell on Amazon KDP. So that's it for our today video. Creating a coloring book to sell on Amazon KDP is much easier than you think. So jump right into Midjourney and start making money right now with just a little effort. And don't forget to leave a comment down below to share your thoughts.